Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC chart still in this corrective structure. My interpretation is that this wave 2 correction is still unfolding, but it's still one of the better setups we've got at the moment. Quite a clear chart, and at least it gives us very clear parameters. We have our wave 1 to the upside into the December highs in a 5-wave move. Yeah. And then obviously up here on the 27th of December, the wave 1 formed the top and the wave 2 is unfolding basically right now. And this wave 2 consists of an ABC structure in which the A wave likely bottomed here on the 8th of January at around 73 cents. The B wave might have topped. B waves can always extend. So at the moment, it looks a little as if it has topped and we begin to roll over again. And then the C wave, could take us down lower. The thing is that C wave doesn't necessarily need to go too deep into the support area. Probably we would see a dip below the A wave low. Maybe might be landing around 73, 70 cents, maybe 66. Sort of in that region between the 61.8 retracement, so the golden ratio, and the 50% retracement. That's sort of what I see as likely. But again, it can always extend this B wave. We haven't got 5 waves down, and that means we have to be very much on the side of caution. The B wave could easily extend. As long as we only have 3 waves down, it keeps the door open for higher. A break below this smaller degree B wave low that formed at 78 cents on the 9th of January, that would be good confirmation that the C wave is actually unfolding, but it's still quite a bit of a drop until we get there. So yeah, basically just watching if the price can get back into the support area. That wouldn't be bearish. That would maybe even provide another potential entry point for anybody who wants to trade pullbacks. Also, what is interesting is that we can now, with this latest top, we can draw a nice trend line and a break above the trend line. I mean, it could be a suggestion that either the B wave is extending and then we'll probably, might even reach $1 or so, which is the next resistance level, also previous structural resistance, or that actually the third wave is already unfolding. So at the moment, surely, in the alternative interpretation, wave 2 already bottomed, but that's for now only the alternative, because to me, this looks like a 3-wave move to the upside. So I cannot have a strong leaning towards the low is already in. So if it is in, then we should see a break above this trend line and also subsequently a break above the $1 level. Then eventually we should see a higher low form. And as soon as I can see 5 waves to the upside, which will suggest that the price indeed has formed a low in wave 2, then I will provide another support area, okay, basically for a higher low. But for now, this is a bit too early for that. Seems like we are still in the wave 2 and we only formed 3 waves, so it's basically still caught in this overall corrective pattern. Just need to be just need to be a bit flexible in these corrections. These corrective patterns can always morph. For example, an ABC structure might turn into a WXY. That's always possible. But I think the levels are clear, support levels are clear. And let's talk about if the wave 2 has already bottomed, then the third wave target, it should take us to around about $2.12 at least. That's the minimum I'd like to see. Better $2.40, maybe even $2.94 in this third wave. Then, however, we should see a 4th wave and a 5th wave. I don't think I've got them on the chart actually. A 4th and a 5th wave that should take us eventually higher. So you see, I think the best approach here, at least what I'm doing, is scaling into support and then just taking profits when the market makes them available. Possibly riding with as much of a position as possible, the third wave there. And bear in mind that the bull market target is around $10 for MATIC. So pretty good reward to risk ratio. And if you think about that, is it so important where exactly the position is taken? I don't think so. So that's why I like the idea of adding in tranches. Just note that below 58 cents, there is no bullishness left here in the short term. And I have to assume that we will, invalidate this 1-2 setup. So basically the bullish thesis will then be challenged. Yeah, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.